Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can detect installed games or ready to play games in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just bring your Steam account and click to, oh, this game looks interesting. Click here to library. And then you're gonna see right here in the games and software, you're gonna see sort by recent activity, and right next to it, you're gonna see show only ready to play games. Click on it, and you're gonna see it right here. So you see all the games that you can play right now. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some support and guidance. You know how it works. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.